Now we have moved to three charge system, Q3, Q1 and Q2. And we have seen in the previous example, it does not affect that we bring charge Q1 first, charge Q2 first or charge Q3. So it does not depend then on what charge we bring to this place first. It is only dependent on the magnitude of charges and the distance between them. So let us solve. So let us say that we brought this charge Q1 is first and there was no other charge. So in that case, work done must be equal to 0. In first case, work done must be equal to 0. That means potential energy is also 0. Okay. So first case is done. Now there is already a charge which is Q1. Now we bring charge Q2. So this is Q1 was there and we are bringing charge Q2 there. So then what was the work done? With same formula, work done is simply QV, that's all. So if we apply this charge of another charge with the potential of first charge, that will give us the work done. So charge is Q2, we are bringing charge Q2 and potential was due to V1 because of the first charge, and this is Q2. So this is 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught Q1 upon Q2 and distance between them is R12. So this is very similar to what we have done in the last example. So it till now we have brought two charges and it is same as we have done in the last example, that 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught Q1 Q2 upon R12 distance between them. So this is same. Now let us see what will happen if we bring third charge. What will happen if we bring the third charge? Then it will be much clear to you. So till this point it is okay. Now what will happen? So this will, if we bring this third charge, so this will have potential due to two charges, due to Q1 and due to Q2. So what would be the work done? Work done would be this Q1 was there, so field due to Q1 was V1 and we are bringing charge Q3 V1 plus this this potential due to this Q2 is V2 into charge Q3. If we take Q3 common, so this is V1 plus V2. Okay, so this is simply because now we have to bring it against two potentials Q1 and Q2. So let us calculate what is this. So same thing they have done. So they have done is that they have first calculated this V1 plus V2. So V1 plus V2 is simply 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught. So because of first Q1 upon R1P, let us say they have considered any point P, and due to Q2 is R2P, Q2 upon R2P. And actually they are making things little bit complicated. You just leave this step, you just do it like this: Q1 Q3, so this is Q3 V12, that means this V1 plus V2, this V1 plus V2. So what is this? 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught. Q3 is outside and we have taken it inside, so it would be multiplied with both. And for V1, Q1 upon R13, because distance between this is R13, and for V2 the distance is R23. So this is distance here. So this is for three system charges. Again, let us see that how it is done. So in first case, when we brought this one, there was no other charge, hence work done is 0. So there is no potential energy. But as soon as we brought this second charge, the work done was W was simply Q2, the charge we are bringing, and potential due to 1. So this was the work done. So Q2 V1. So 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught Q2 and potential due to one was q1 upon r and r12 because the distance between them is r12. So this much we know. As soon as we bring this third charge, now it will feel the potential due to two charges, this q1 and this q2. So now the work done is simply q2 v1 plus q2, sorry, this one is q3. Now this is q3 v2 v2. Now so this is the total work done. So let us calculate what is q3 v1. q3 v1 is q3 v1 is equal to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught into q1 because of charge 1 v1 upon the distance between 3 and 1 r13. Okay, plus what is there, q3, what is v2, 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught. Okay, and this is v2 due to charge q2 and distance between q2 and this q3 is r23. Simply write r23. See here, so this is taken common, 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught q3 q1 and distance is r13 same, plus what is plus, again this is taken common, this is q2 q3 and distance between r23. So in a way we got that what would be the work done in bringing this charge q3 to here, to this place. Now let us all these terms, then what will come. So the total energy or total work done is this 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught from here and here, it is common. Okay, now what we get, q1 q2 upon r12, this first term q1 q2 upon r12, second term q1 q3 upon r13, this is here, third term is q1 q2 q3 upon r23. So this is the total work done which will stored as potential energy. This is the total work done which will store as potential energy. Again, because of the conservative nature of electrostatic force or equivalently the path independence of work force, the final expression for U, this is final expression for potential energy, is independent of manner in which the configuration is assembled. So they are trying to say it does not depend that you bring charge q2 first, charge q1 first or charge q3 first. Any charge you can bring first, but this potential energy will always remain same. There would be always three terms, q1 q2 q1 q3 and q2 q3 and the distances between them. So this is the total potential energy. How did we calculate? We first calculated the work done due to this charge which was equal to 0. Then we take the potential due to this charge and brought this charge. So this was simply q2 v1. And in the third case, what we did? We brought this charge in field of this q1 and q2. So this was simply work done was q3 v1 plus q3 v2. So this was the case. So in a way we can calculate. If you think there is some other configurational method that if you bring q2 first, q3 later, then q1, try to calculate and you will get the same result. Now let us see this example. This time we are bringing 4 charges. In example 2.4 we are bringing 4 charges. So this is making, what is this is making? This is making a square. So this time we have 4 charges at the corners of a square, and 4 charges are arranged at the corners of a square ABCD of side D. So side is D, and this is ABCD is a square. This is shown in figure 2. Find the work required to put together this arrangement. So we have to find the work done or potential energy of this system. Work done or potential energy. a charge q naught or q0 is brought at the center of this square, the four charges being held fixed at the corner, how much extra work is needed to do this?